Hey, what's up vlog? So right now it's currently Saturday and I'm all washed up pero hindi pa ako nakapag-makeup kasi I'm going to Tacloban right now. Actually, maya-maya. Isasama ko dun yung lala ko kasi I realized na hindi ko pa siya libre-libre. So ayun, pupunta kami Tacloban na maya. Kasama ko yung pinsan kong si Belle, yung auntie ko si Mommy, yung tawag namin si Mommy, at saka si Lola. But yung plano ko is 11 na kami umalis dito. So para makadating kami dun like around 2 to 3. Wala kaming gagawin doon pag maaga kaming pumunta kasi 2 PM pa naman yung check-in. So right now, I'm currently playing Sims. Lang muna, just so pampatay oras. Ayan. Hey, excuse me, that's by Spotify. Right? May Sims. Sims muna bago umalis. So yan, I'm gonna see you later pag nagkita kayo na kami lahat at nakapag-ayos na ako. Outfit check. Ito lang. A shirt. A saya short. Skirt. I don't know. And my new pair of Adidas. Kaya din. Bala, ano ginawa mo sa kanya?